Naveen, why don't you help people understand what you're actually dealing with and operationally in the TWT environment, the scale, the SKU complexity, and why inventory management has been such a hard problem for a business like yours.
We have to buy the right products, ship it to the right location at the right time to be available to our customers in the right locations. So the complexity of buying the right products, sorry, the complexity of forecasting the right products for the right fashion industry and being able to deliver to the right location at the right time for our seasons is extremely important. It's extremely critical in running our business. Before TADA, this operation was run on Excel and a lot of tribal knowledge. And the goal of TADA was to move that knowledge into a structure that we can analyze, that we can measure, and we can improve on. So that is where TADA came in and helped us.